I'm Nancy Sparks from Hermosa Beach Marketing, and today is your Man Minute. And today we have a Rainforest dog. Because living in the rainforest is hard. And if you do hard things, there's no excuse. Because you still should do it well. So, just because you have, there's always three parts to business. There's what you like to sell, there's what people like to buy, and there's what makes you the most money. Most of the time, what you like to sell is the easiest to sell. Sometimes things are hard. It doesn't matter if it's hard or not. You should stay clean and maintain craftsmanship while you get that accomplished. We're right here from the rainforest, about 12 hours deep. I don't think you can get any more rainforest than where we are right now, because there is nothing in either direction. Nothing. Just one little town about 10 hours behind us. This is one place where you will never get to in your life. That's not even a rest area, that's the wrong turn. The set from Wrong Turn 2, right there. It's about. Anyway, back to difficult things. Even photo dumping to continue was difficult. There's three things that make you money, things that people want to buy, things that are easy to sell for you, and things that make you the most money. And sometimes those things are the most difficult because they're hourly. Hourly is most ridiculous. Anyway, that's your Man Minute for today.
This is your Man Minute.